Hey mathematicians, for today's math lesson, you will need lesson 7-7. This is a 3-page lesson, and you'll find it beginning on page 401. Let's get started. Listen to this math story and see what you can do on your paper all by yourself. Marta's dog Spot loves to eat doggy biscuits. Marta puts 6 biscuits in a bag. And one day, Spot ate 4 biscuits. Now there are only 2 left. How does Marta know that there are 2 biscuits left? Draw counters or numbers to explain and show your work. Let me read it one more time. Marta put 6 biscuits in a bag. One day, Spot ate 4 biscuits. Now there are only 2 left. How does Marta know that there are only 2 left? Draw counters or write numbers to explain and show your work. How did you figure this out? Or how did you show your work? I'm going to draw 6 counters in this bag. That stands for the 6 biscuits, the 6 doggy biscuits that Marta said she had. How did you show that Spot ate 4 of the biscuits? I'm going to X 4 of them out. Now we can see that there are 2 biscuits left. Marta probably figured that out when she counted them. Is there a math equation that we could write that matches this picture? Sure. We could say 6 minus 4 equals 2. The 6 stands for all of the doggy biscuits, the 6 biscuits that Marta put in the bag. Minus, because this is a takeaway story since Spot ate some of the biscuits. 4, that stands for the 4 biscuits that Spot ate. Equals 2. The 2 stands for how many biscuits are left. Good job. Go ahead and turn your page. Now that we are on the right page, go ahead and put your paper and your crayon down. Let's take a look at today's learning video together.
How many dog toys does Rex have? There are 5 toys in the basket. Alex is trying to figure out how many toys would be in the basket if Rex took 3 toys out. When you take away from a total number, you are subtracting. What are we doing to solve this problem? We are using cubes to represent the toys, taking 3 away and counting the toys that are left. Let's count together. 1, 2. 2 toys are left. What are we doing to solve the problem? We are counting back from the last number, 5, 4, 3. We end up with 2 left. Which one has the correct answer? They both have the correct answer. Now, let's look at the number sentence to learn what each part means. What does the 5 mean in the number sentence? The 5 means the number of toys in all. What does the minus sign mean? The minus sign means subtract, separate, or take away. In this problem, the minus sign means that some toys were taken out of the basket. What does the 3 mean? The 3 is the number of toys taken out of the basket. Now, let's put the parts of the number sentence back together. When you put the parts of the number sentence together, It says that there were a total of 5 toys and 3 were taken away. That means that there are now 2 toys left.
All right, and we are already on the page that we are going to work on together. Let me get my crayon. There we go. All right, for number 1 star, listen to this story. Then we're going to draw a picture to show what's happening and then write the subtraction equation that matches. You can see that this work has already been done for us. So really all we have to do is trace. But I still want you to listen closely and do the work. Marta has 6 kittens. Oh my goodness, could you imagine having 6 kittens? Marta has 6 kittens. She gives them a big bowl of water to drink. But there is only room for 4 kittens to drink at the same time. How does Marta know that 2 kittens have to wait? Wow, what a challenge. I sure hope you guys are up for this. Let's get started. Marta has 6 kittens. In this picture, they are using counting cubes. There are 6 cubes to show the 6 kittens. Can you quickly trace those? There we go. 6 cubes to show the 6 kittens. And I'm going to trace the number 6 to show that that's how many there are in all. Then I said she gives them a big bowl of water to drink. Only 4 kittens can go take a drink. So let's X out 4 of the cubes. 4 of the kittens are going to get a drink. This is a takeaway story, so trace the minus sign and trace that number 4. That 4 stands for the 4 kittens that are taking a drink. They left to go take a drink, or they went away. We can now see how many kittens are left. 2. 6 minus 4 equals 2. Those last 2 kittens have to wait their turn. 6 minus 4 is 2. Turn your page. Let's get some more practice together. All right, there is lots of room on this page to work. So I'm going to scoot myself down here. There we go. And we're going to start in the area where it says number 2 apple. Today, we will need to draw the picture and write the equation to show our work. Let's take a look. All right, for number 2 apple, Emily sees 8 rabbits in a pet store. Someone buys 3 of them. How many are left? Let's draw the picture and write the equation that matches that story. Listen again. Emily sees 8 rabbits in a pet store. Let's draw that part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go ahead and write that number too. 8. Emily sees 8 rabbits in a pet store. Somebody buys 3 of them. That's a subtraction story because that means some of the rabbits are going away. Let's X out 3 rabbits to show that somebody bought 3 of them. Write the minus sign to show that this is a subtraction story and the number 3. Remember, the 3 stands for the 3 rabbits that went away. What does that equal? Now we need to know how many rabbits are left. Count the ones that don't have an X on them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 minus 3 equals 5. The 8 stands for the whole group, all of the rabbits. Minus because some went away. The 3 stands for the 3 rabbits that went away. And the 5 stands for how many are left. Let's take a look at number 3, fish. Make sure you're listening closely. Emily sees 7 birds in a cage. The pet store owner opens the door and 3 birds fly out. How many birds are left? Let's draw the picture that matches this story. Emily sees 7 birds in a cage. Let's draw 7 counters. 4, 5, 6, 7. And let's go ahead and write the number 7 to show that's how many there are in all. The pet store owner opens the door and 3 fly out. This is a subtraction story because some of the birds go away. We're going to have to X out 3 birds because 3 birds flew away. Oh no. Let's write the number 3. So far our sentence shows 7 minus 3. 7 birds were in the cage minus the 3 that flew out. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 minus 3 equals 4. Do you remember what that looks like if we do it on our fingers? First, put up 7 fingers. Take away 3 fingers. How many fingers are you left holding up? 4. Let's try another one. Number 4 heart. Emily sees 8 puppies in the store. 6 of them are sold. How many puppies are left? Let's draw it. I said Emily sees 8 puppies in the store. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. 6 of the puppies get sold. That means some of them are going away. So this is a subtraction story. 8 minus the 6 that are sold. Let's X out 6 puppies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What does that equal? How many puppies are left? There were 8. 6 of them were sold. How many are left? Can you see? 1, 2. 2 puppies are left. All right, we're going to skip number 5 handprint, and you can go to the next page. All right, kiddos, this says independent practice. I'm going to read the math story to you. Then I want you to pause the video and try it by yourself. Then you'll push play when you're ready to check your work. All right, listen for number 6 coffee cup. There are 6 birds in a bird bath. 4 fly away. How many are left? Listen one more time. There are 6 birds in a bird bath. Show that part. 4 of the birds fly away. How many are left? Push pause. Show that part. Use a picture and write the equation that matches. 6 birds in the bird bath. 4 fly away. How many are left? Push pause and do it. Did you do it? Here are 6 birds in the bird bath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I said 4 fly away. So we have to X out 4 of them. How many are left? 2. Let's write the equation that matches. 6 birds that were in the bird bath minus, because some flew away, 4. That's how many birds flew away. And what does that equal? 2 birds are left. If you made a mistake, make sure you fix it. All right, listen to the math story for number 7 Christmas tree. Be sure to draw your picture and write the equation that matches. There are 5 acorns under a tree. A squirrel takes 3 of them. How many acorns are left? Listen one more time. There are 5 acorns under a tree. A squirrel takes 3 of them. How many acorns are left? Draw the picture and write the equation that matches. All right, you should have drawn 5 counters to show the 5 acorns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I said a squirrel takes 3 of them. Did you X out 3? How many acorns are left? 1, 2. That's right. Your equation should look like this. 5 acorns under the tree minus the squirrel that ate 3 acorns. And what does that equal? 2 that are left. Good job. Let's look at number 8 flag together. I gotta scoot way up here. All right. I want you to listen to this story and then draw a circle around the picture that shows the story and then write the equation that matches. It's either going to be this group of ducks or this group of ducks. Which one of those pictures matches the story I'm about to tell you? Listen closely. There are 4 ducks in a pond. 1 duck leaves. How many ducks are left? Which picture matches that story? Listen one more time. There are 4 ducks in a pond. 1 duck leaves. How many ducks are left? Did you circle this group of ducks? This picture shows 1, 2, 3, 4 ducks in all, minus the 1 duck that flew away. And how many ducks are left? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Turn your page. All right, kiddos, this page and the next page are homework. Remember, you can bring those to school anytime and show them to Miss Tia or I, and we'll get them checked for you. We always want to see the homework that you do at home. Before we wrap up this lesson, let's take a look at today's Another Look video. Here we go.
Hello there. I want you to listen closely as I tell you a story about these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ducks. One day, all 7 ducks went for a walk. Then 3 of them decided to go home. How many ducks were left? Let's write an equation that tells the story. We'll begin by writing what we know. We know that we started with 7 ducks in all. We also know that 3 ducks left to go home. We take away 3. That means we need to write a subtraction equation. That's minus 3. So how many ducks are left? Say the answer out loud before I write it. Did you say 4? 7 minus 3 equals 4. Is the subtraction equation that tells the story of the 7 ducks that went for a walk. Can you make up a story that this equation tells? 6 minus 2 equals 4. Tell your story to the teacher or to a friend. Have fun being a storyteller. See you soon.
See if you can do that. Can you come up with a math story that matches 6 minus 2 equals 4? Let me see if I can think of one. Ooh, I have a good one. There were 6 donuts on the table. Mrs. Barnard ate 2 of them. So there were 4 donuts left. Have some fun coming up with your own math story that goes with 6 minus 2 equals 4. I'll see you next time.